I'm in a BMW 840d. Next to me is a Mercedes E400d coupe, and next to that is an Audi A840d TDI. So yeah, a bunch of diesel cars. We're going to have a drag race to prove that diesel doesn't have to be boring and diesel isn't dead. So I've got a 3-litre straight 6 diesel engine with 320 horsepower. The Mercedes also has a 3-litre straight 6 diesel engine, only it has 340 horsepower. Meanwhile, the Audi has a 3-litre V6 diesel engine with just 286 horsepower. Pour it. We've all got automatic gearboxes, all cars are all-wheel drive. However, I've got a sort of launch control system, so maybe that'll help me out. Now, before we race, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload, and also follow us on Instagram at carwow. Right, let's race then. Good start, beat the Merc off the line, beat everyone off the line. That Audi got off all right. Oh no, that Merc's coming now. Is it going to? Is it going to? No, I've got it. Yes! See, BMW, we did it! We're a good team. That was a bit creepy, wasn't it? So then, what exactly happened? Well, the BMW did the standing quarter mile in 13.1 seconds. The Mercedes took 13.2 seconds, and the Audi did it in 13.6 seconds. Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour, locked in 3rd gear, so just get up to speed. Then I'll call it in. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh yes. What happened to the Mercedes? This smashed it again. This actually has less torque than the Mercedes. The Mercedes has 700 newton meters. This has 680, and the poor Audi just has 600. I think the Audi did better than the Mercedes. How very odd. Right, now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the cone, full emergency stop to see what happens. That Mercedes is the lightest car. It's about 8.5. This is 1,900 kilos. And the poor Audi is 2 tons. How's that going to affect things? Here comes the cone. Brake hard! Brake hard! Oh! Oh! No way! It just went completely the other way that I expected. I think, let me just check. I'm going to have to get out to check this. Okay, so I think this broken the longest distance, then the Mercedes just probably by about that much. But it was the Audi that won that brake test. It wins one. Well, so there you go. That's 2 to the BMW, 1 to the Audi, and none to the Mercedes. And I must say, I'm quite surprised. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sure BMW did. And I wasn't biased just because this was my car, honest.